Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to talk about my daytime skincare routine or my morning skincare routine. So I have definitely changed a lot of stuff when it comes to skincare. My morning skincare and my night skincare, they're like completely different, but I have quite benefited with these products and these steps. Today I'm going to talk about my morning skincare routine, and in a separate video I will talk about my nighttime skincare routine. Okay, so first things first, I have taken my shower and I have used this one. This is the Hydrating Milky cleanser from Pixi, and I like to use this specifically in the morning. It is a cream cleanser. It does have a lot of foaming qualities, so it just gets rid of like whatever products I use in the night. My nighttime skincare is actually more extensive than my daytime skincare, so because my skin feels a little dry, so now it's time to tone, and I am using this one. This is the Milky tonic from Pixi again, and I am almost done with this product. Like, it's almost over. I'm gonna take a cotton pad and I'm just going to put the toner on that and then just kind of rehydrate my face. Whatever I apply on my face, I like to first finish that and then drag it really down to my neck, and then also move down to my chest. So this is actually until where I would apply all of my products. I like to also take it on the back of my neck and a bit on my shoulders, and I just feel like this gives like a complete or does like a complete care of the same type of skin in a way. Okay, so the next product that I'm gonna use is this one from The Ordinary. This is the caffeine solution 5% plus EGCG. I had this love-hate relationship with this product, and now I just cannot live without it, especially in the mornings. And this is usually targeting the under eye area, so it kind of depuffs your under eyes, reduces fine lines around the eyes. And for me, another thing that I have learned over these weeks, or what I have changed, is whatever I'm using specifically for my eyes, I like to use that on my forehead too, because I think the skin here is also quite thin, and I also like to use that around my neck. Alright, so after this I just like to moisturize a little bit, and for that I'm going to use this one. This is the Rose Ceramide cream from Pixi, and I have again used this quite a bit. It's not like a lightweight moisturizer, so it does have a bit of that slip, or you know, if you have like very oily skin, you might not specifically like this. I do have a combination skin type which is more towards oily sometimes, but then I am not shying away from trying products which do hydrate my skin a lot, and I think that's been the game changer. And I like to like give some time for my products to really settle in, but I am going to quickly apply some lip balm because my lips feel really dry. A friend of mine just gave this to me. This is the Swiss Smile Night Care Lip Balm, lightly pearly, and I have quite liked this product. Actually, it has a very fresh vanilla kind of a smell, and it is actually supposed to be like a night treatment or whatever, but I like to just use this to hydrate my lips. I am definitely switching between my all-time favorite, the Carmex, and also this Dr. Pawpaw. This is amazing. Like, this lip balm is so good. This is lightly tinted, it's red, and it's like this multi-purpose soothing balm. But this one on my lips, like, I think I cannot live with that. I'm gonna go ahead and do something crazy, which I've been doing only for a few weeks now, and that is applying a bit of oil to my face. I would quickly mention that I am running out of my Hydrating Milky serum, which I used previously. So I used to use the caffeine solution for my eyes and my forehead and my neck, and then I would use the Hydrating Milky serum, and now I'm completely out of it, and that's when I replaced it with this Rose Ceramide cream. And now we're going to dive into the jasmine oil blend. Now there's one thing that you have to be very careful if you're using any of these bottles from Pixie. I actually ended up cutting myself twice while trying to open it because this edge here is quite sharp, so just be careful. Like, I'm scared I'm gonna use my bathrobe to do that. So it comes with a dropper, and this oil is like very lightly colored. It's like this very light yellow kind of thing, but it's almost like transparent. So I like to take like few drops on my palm, and then I'm going to, and this is lightweight, so I think you can use it during the day, but I just like to end my skincare with this oil because I feel it's going to just seal in everything. So I'm going to use that all over my face and neck. The smell of this oil does remind me of, I think back home I used to use, once I used this, if you guys know, if you're from India, y'all might know this, it's like this parachute hair oil. Then it came like with this jasmine variety. I don't know if you still have that in India, and I used that once, and this smell just reminds me of that. So it feels like I'm applying that hair oil on my face. It's kind of creepy, but I like it. As long as it serves the purpose, I don't mind it. So I am completely hooked on to this Jade Roller. It's like gua sha for your face, and I am so obsessed with it. I love doing this day and night. I think during the night I have more time to do it, and I just enjoy the cold jade over my face. It's just such a calming feeling. It depuffs your face, it kind of does the lymphatic drainage for you, and that's how it depuffs, and also it just feels so calming. I love to use this every morning and every night, and I just like to take my time and just roll this all over my face. So now my skin really feels awake. It feels nice and cold and lightly depuffed, and that's really about it. So now I'm gonna move on and do the last step, which is the Neutrogena sunscreen. I don't know, I must have mentioned this product 5,000 times. Please excuse me for that, but I love this product. Like, this is the only sunscreen that suits me. I don't find this in Switzerland, so every time I go back home I get my stock from there. But I remember the first time I was running out of this, I like cut it open and I was scooping it out every day because I cannot step out of my house without sunscreen, whether it's like rainy, winter, summer, it doesn't matter. I need my sunscreen. So that's the one thing which makes me panic if I'm running out of my Neutrogena sunscreen. And with this, I don't want to do like any massage or anything. This is just there to protect my face and my neck. I like to just kind of, you know, like powder certain areas, and I'm using this one from Rimmel right now, which is Insta Fix and Matte. This is a translucent powder, and you can figure out how much I've used this product. So I'm gonna get into the product with a large fluffy brush. This is the Gabriella Salvit powder brush, and I like to take a good amount of that product and then kind of just take away the shine from certain parts, which has to be down here, a little bit under my eyes, and definitely my forehead. So that is done, and now I would like to very quickly, now this is crazy, like y'all might feel, why did you set your face and now you're applying like a mist on top of that? Like, I just like this. This has propolis and argan oil, so you can see like the oil floating around, and for me that was like kind of scary to venture into, but I tried it once and I like got completely hooked onto it. So you just need to shake this very well so that you're kind of dispersing the oil fragments that you can see floating around, and once everything has been incorporated, you just spritz that on your face. So this looks crazy, I know, but I'm gonna let that dry, and I'm not gonna go back to applying some powder on top of this, because this is not the way it's going to be. It's like a fixing spray that you use for your makeup, but this one is different because it kind of gives that very dewy, sun-kissed, and I like it when you get out, you step out and you have a little bit of sun hitting your face and you have like this beautiful glow. So that's the kind of thing that this product does. I'm just gonna let that dry, and meanwhile I'm going to apply a second lip balm. So I'm gonna get into this Dr. Pawpaw tinted lip balm, and I absolutely love this. This just feels like butter, and at the same time, I don't know, it's just like this one of these magical products. Like, you cannot explain what it does, but you end up just loving it. And I think it's almost done. So that's all about my morning skincare routine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys found it useful, enjoyed it, and I will make sure to upload my nighttime skincare routine soon, because I think it's like this combination that kind of helped my skin. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I come up with a new video. I'm sending you lots of love. Bye.